how I started my YouTube channel in the midst of depression. Hello, my name is Leia. Welcome to my channel. In celebration of my third month here in YouTube, I wanted to dedicate this, my third long form video on my journey. Yeah, 3 months ago, I was so depressed. But starting this channel helped me to realize and to slowly find myself again. So yeah, this video is quite sensitive and emotional, so I'm hoping that I will not cry because I'm so easy to cry. But anyways, yeah, 3 months ago I was so depressed. I wasn't diagnosed by a doctor, but I know myself well to understand what I'm going through because I'm fighting for this for a long time. So yeah, I didn't feel any happiness in my life. I mean, I didn't feel excited even to eat, even that's my favorite thing to do. I don't understand myself, even I can't do my business. Actually, I'm doing a business, if you know kimchi, but it's not typical Korean kimchi, it's a cucumber kimchi. In the middle of my business, I suddenly feel I don't want to do it now. Like, like I want to fade in this world. I wanted to be invisible in this world. I don't want to talk to everyone. I want to sell, but I'm thinking, yeah, I wanted to sell, but how I can sell if I wanted to step away from everyone? Yeah, like I don't understand myself anymore. Like what I wanted to do is just to sleep and sleep and sleep because I don't see any clear direction in my life and I'm not happy. Maybe the thought of turning 30 years old because that time, 1 month before I will turn 30 years old. Yeah, and thinking that I'm turning 30 years old without any great achievements made me feel that I'm so behind in life. And because of that, I also stopped checking my Facebook account, my TikTok accounts, because every time I open them, I just saw negativity, and it's not helping in my mental health. It's only made my mental health worse. And yeah, until I found myself that I spending a lot of time in YouTube shorts because that time I saw difference in YouTube shorts, unlike in Facebook that I see road rage, crimes, rape, yeah, drugs, and a lot of things that pulled me down. And YouTube shorts saw me a big difference. Like I can see a people sharing their talents, their hobbies, and also different places. And I don't see a bad thing on that. Little by little, it gave me a new perspective. It reminded me that there's still more in life than the negativity that I was focusing on. And that's when I thought maybe I could I could also share something than than focusing and drowning myself in depression. When I when I checked my accounts, I discovered that I already have 3 all YouTube channel. And the first one was way back 2016, the first attempt that I wanted to be a vlogger. But I never posted anything because that time I mean, I still don't know what content that I should post. So, uh, because 2016, there's already a lot of blogger on that time. There's a makeup tutorial, there's like that. And then I'm thinking also, I wanted also to be like that. And then, but I don't have the courage to shoot to make a video. And then the second one was way back 2021, and that's after the pandemic. So the blogging economy, I mean, the YouTube creator is like times three than the 2016, and it makes me eager. Oh my God, if they can also, I can do it also. And then I posted a lot. I posted the I'm going to somewhere, like, because I'm actually here in abroad in Doha, Qatar, and then I'm showing where I will go. I'm showing to in the video displays like that, and but there's no quality on it. I mean, no direction, until I also feel burnout and I stop. So I think only 3 months I did that one. Like, I just only hyper because everyone is doing it after the pandemic. And then, yeah, after the pandemic, 2021, we just able to go out. And then I'm so excited to show the world that because my content in my second YouTube channel is traveling, but only in one place. I mean, only in one country. So anyway, and then there's the third account. And actually, this the YouTube channel that I'm using now. I actually created it same year of my second YouTube channel. Okay, but it's only my spare account. And then that time I realized, oh, I already have three YouTube channel. And then, but this time, this my third YouTube channel. I wanted to be a different. I wanted to do it a good. I mean, not a good. I would like to be a different, a fresh new start, being at 30 years old. So instead of continuing my second YouTube channel, even it's not a lot of subscriber. It only has 113 subscriber, but I didn't continue it. I chose to start a new beginning in this my third account. So it's from zero subscriber, and now it's not yet a big subscriber. Right now I only have 231, but I'm already happy because I reached already 231 in YouTube. It's like, oh, like, I'm so thankful on that. It means I have 231 people that subscribe me. So I'm grateful on that. So yeah, now I promise myself since that time that starting at 30 years old, I will film and document my life from the beginning. Like at 30 years old, I feel I'm just only 20 years old. And yeah, anyway, I had so many videos that I just kept on my gallery because I actually did Facebook Reels and TikToks, but I also burned out and I didn't post it on that, and I just kept it on my gallery, and then I check it again, and then I just edit it, and then now I will post it as YouTube shorts. So initially I actually plan only to make a YouTube search in YouTube, but yeah, and so I still remember one midnight I posted a one single shorts video, and then I sleep. And then when I woke up, I was so shocked that it reached 1,000 1,000 views. For me, as a beginner, like 1,000 views is not normal for me. I don't even had 1,000 views in my Facebook Reels and TikToks. And that time, oh my, like, I'm so overwhelmed. And then I told to my sister, and then also she was shocked, and she is so happy for me. And then I try again. I posted one YouTube shorts again, and after tomorrow, I sleep same time at midnight. I was so shocked, I mean, sorry, that it reached 1,500 views. Oh my God, like, oh my God, I was so happy. And then that's the starting point. And then every day I try to post one video per day, short video. And sometimes two video. Oh my God, sorry. We have, if you can hear it. the birds is in the kitchen, so I don't know what they want. Anyways, it's distracted me. But anyways, yeah. Since then, I posted one short video and twice, sometimes different time because I'm experimenting. So after 1 month of uploading the YouTube Shorts video, I also tried to do a live stream. At first, it's only for my requirements. Of course, I also wanted to be monetized. So I tried also live stream for, like, if you can check my playlist, it's my title is my live stream journey until I got my 4,000 watch hours. So basically it's only on that. But what I didn't expect when I start in my live stream, I also build the friends. Hi, hello to Michael, to Yarden, and to Mr. Well. Thank you so much for supporting me. So they give me they gave me more courage to continue because it's not only one people, it's three people that's supporting me. I don't know why they are supporting me. But I'm so grateful and that I already had a friends, and because that time when I start my live stream, I actually don't care about views. I mean, because my purpose is, like, as I said, for my watch hours, like my target is I need to live like 1 hour or 2 hours. So I am the one who will watch on that because in my work I have work phone, so I have a lot of phone, and then I can also go use my desktop, and I can watch it by my own to add in my watch hours. So to everyone who watches this and then in the my same era, so you know what I mean. So that's the only purpose that I'm doing my live stream, and my advantages is I'm not shy to show my face or to show my face. So it's easy for me to do a live stream. So I don't care to anyone. I'm just showing on my first live stream, like I'm just only drinking tea. I'm just eating popcorn, so I don't care to everyone else. But yeah, I had a friends in there. And yeah, I'm so grateful on that I started a live stream. So it makes me happy. So after 2 months of uploading YouTube shorts and doing live stream, little by little, the new ideas coming in my mind. Actually, when I was teenager, I love reading books. And then when I was in 20, because the smartphone is existing, and that time I'm busy in my work, so it's easy for me to just listen in the phone. So I love listening podcasts. I love listening stoicism, um, financial freedom, frugality, minimalism. I love that kind of video, and because it makes me understand life. Because I told you I am suffering depression, but because of the help of that kind of video to from podcast, it makes me more to understand that I need to keep moving. Like I will not stay myself on that situation because I'm not the only one who experiencing it. And then yeah, and then until I realized that if I'm enjoying that kind of content, why I cannot just also share my thoughts and use my voice to help other people to understand me. I know that I'm not the only one who's experiencing depression, and I want also to help other people, especially the same age of mine, anyone who's same of my era, that it's I think it's normal to feel that we feel that sorry, that we are behind in life because we are already 30 and we're still like this. So yeah. Honestly, I was planning to actually I already said it in my first blog that I was planning to make my long form video on 2026 or 2027 because I still don't have a niche, and then I'm saving my long form video in for the next year because I'm planning to make only YouTube shorts in this year because we already have, I mean, we are already have in this year 2025. So but I don't know that like have whispering me to do like this, like yeah, and then now I'm already in my third long form video. I don't know how it happened so fast, but what I only know is when I started YouTube channel, my life has completely changed. It helps me realize more about life. I finally found a direction, and the emptiness that I carried for a long time, it replaced full of dreams. YouTube gave me the courage to be myself again, and helped me to realize that I'm not yet behind in life. It's like I have my own journey that I will focus on. Like every people in this world is has a different journey, and this is my journey. And now every time I wake up, I'm so excited because I know that I have something new. I have a chance and opportunity to film and document my life, and for that I have again a direction. Depression is not a joke. It is not a joke. So growing up far away from my family, I really shared my real situation. So, I mean, yeah, my emotion because I started working at 11 years old. So maybe I can tackle that one in my next video. My I started working at 11 years old. So that's why I mean, growing up, I am far away from my family. So, anyways, I hope I mean, everyone that will watch my video and then also suffering in depression, I hope you can able to come up again, and hopefully I can I give you a little bit advice how you can also handle the depression that you are going through now. And for me, being being able to make I mean being here in YouTube helped me a lot. Like YouTube is helping me to regain myself again, and I'm so thankful on that. I know everyone has different opinion, but now that if I'm thinking about that last 3 months that I lose hope, like I don't know myself, I don't understand what's happening. Like that's the deepest depression that I've been, and suddenly the YouTube show up to me like, oh my god, it's like for me it's a sign that I think I think that YouTube is my it's like what I don't know what I would say. It's like my hero or what, but help me YouTube to realize that I'm really not behind in life. Yeah, I already said that it is only my beginning. So now I'm at my early 30s. I'm already 30, but I feel I'm only 20 anyways. So yeah, this is my life at 30 years old. This is my journey. So in the future, if I'm already in 40, 50, or 60, I'm so grateful that I have a video that I can look back to, and then I will thanks to my old self this that I already made it, and I hit record, and I know that I will not regret in the future because doing a YouTube channel, doing being a YouTube creator is my long life dream. It's like almost a decade before I finally found myself. Yeah, this is my long life dream since 2016. It almost coming 2026, but I'm so thankful that before in my 1 decade, I already made it. I already press record, and I'm so thankful that I already make even uh, one step, a little step. But yeah, thank you so much for everyone who's watching now my and until now in this end of my video, and thank you so much. I hope you understand what I mean. But yeah, so I need to go to work because I recording this before I go to work. This is the only time that I have because I'm not yet full time. I'm only part time in this YouTube, but I'm thankful because still I have a time to make this one. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for everyone. So sorry for if I'm still not a good speaker or what, because I'm still just trying. So anyways, I hope you can do it too, like me. Even still 100%, but we can do it. Everyone who is suffering depression right now, I know you can do it too. And yeah, thank you. So anyway, I'm done with my third long form video. So thanks God always. Anyway, bye bye. See you next time. Thank you so much.